Coats 9100 coming at you. It's good old Tuesday, July 26th, 2022, and it's 7:30 in the morning a.m. And I'm here cleaning the air conditioner up on the roof, and it's really bad. I've had the van now just over 5 years and I've never cleaned it. I'm surprised it worked at all. It's been working fine, but it's just really bad. I'm gonna take a look, show you guys. Should do this probably once every 2 years, or every year. Should do it every year, but once every 2 years. Anyways, man, look at that. Look at that stuff. It's caked right into the coils. That's the condenser coil, and we're going to be cleaning the evaporator coil. But this one right here on the back, look how bad that is. That condenser coil. And once you take this panel off here, that's the evaporator coil. And that one's dirty too. I can see it from the inside. And I gotta put a towel down or something, because I'm gonna spray it down. I got some stuff. I got 2 cans of stuff. And also, man, that is bad. That is bad. That is really bad. Really bad. And this is the stuff I got. Let's see here. I got 2 cans of this stuff. Right there. And on the end, I got the cap over there. Right there. So you spray it in there. Spray it in there and let it sit. I gotta clean it out first. But see, the cap right there has got like a brush on it. And you just keep brushing that stuff out, takes it right out and straightens the. If you got any bent fins, it'll straighten them up. That cap right there. I just started taking them out. And then when we get this one, the condenser cleaned, I put this back together, and then I clean this one, and then just clean the panels and stuff. Oil the fan. I got some 3-in-1 oil that I'm gonna put in there, right in there. Just keep the fan motor oiled up there, and that's about it. So this will be a part 1, I guess. Get it cleaned up best I can. Man, that is bad. That is really bad. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to work before it gets too hot.